students. Today we will discuss our topic first chapter real number. We will do the revision of this chapter, first chapter. Okay. Now in this chapter, first you must know about the numbers. First is real numbers. If we discuss about the real number is the combination of rational and irrational. So all rational and irrational we consider in the set of real numbers. Okay. Now first one is the rational. Rational number is a number. We can express this number in the form of P upon Q, and where Q is not equal to 0. And irrational number cannot be expressed in the form of P upon Q. For example, root 2, root 3, root 7, root 11, all numbers are irrational numbers. Now here in this case, first this is the definition of a real number. Now next is we want to find out the HCF and LCM of numbers. So we have two methods. First one is prime factorization method, and second one is with the help of Euclid's division lemma. You all know these two methods. Now first one is the prime factorization method. In this method, suppose we have two numbers. First one is 125 and second is 625. To find out the prime factor of 125. Now 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25, 5 5 are 25. And next one is 625. Now if we express 625, 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25, and then 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are, and 5 5 are. Now 125 can be expressed as 5 into 5 into 5, and next one is 625, and we can express 625 as 5 comes 4 times. For HCF of 125 and 625, always we have to take the common number, the common factors, or you can say that the common prime factors. Common prime factor 5, 5, and this is third 5. So what will be the HCF in this case? 5 5 are 25, 25 into 5 is 125 is the HCF. Now next one is the LCM. In LCM, the common number 100% you have to take, and in that case the numbers which are left also you have to consider. It means this 5 is left here, so in LCM you have to take this number also. So our LCM will be equal to 625. This is the process, and this is our prime factorization method. And in case of a prime factorization method, we have a result. Now what is this result? In this case, if two numbers A and B are given to us, and we want to find out the relation between HCF and LCM. Now what is the relation? HCF of AB into LCM of AB is equal to the product of these numbers. So this is the relation. This relation is very important, and this relation exists only for two numbers. This relation does not exist for three numbers. Suppose if we have three numbers A, B, C, then we cannot use this relation. It means HCF of ABC into LCM of ABC is not equal to product of ABC. This value can exist or cannot exist. It depends on the numbers, which type of numbers are given to us. We cannot say that in each case this value does not exist. It can exist or it cannot exist. So this result does not exist for three numbers. This is the result only for two numbers. If we have A and B, two numbers are given to us. So in this case, HCF of AB into LCM of AB is equal to the product of two numbers. Now in this case, if suppose we have two numbers, A is equal to 24 and B is equal to 36. Find out the prime factor of A and B. 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. So 24 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now next one is 36. Again find out the prime factor of 36. 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3 is 9. So 36 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now if we want to find out the HCF of AB. Now HCF of AB, it means I told you that common values always we have to consider. 2 is common. Next this 2 is also common. And next 3 is common. So what will be the HCF? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So 12 is the HCF in this case. Next one is the LCM. Now LCM of AB is equal to common number 100% you have to take. Okay. And next one, the numbers which are not common. 2 is present, 3 is present. Then 2 and 3 also you have to take. Now 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. 12 2 is 24, 24 into 3 is 72. So 72 is the LCM of AB and HCF is equal to 12. If we want to apply this result, HCF into LCM. Now 12 into 72 is equal to A into B. Product of two numbers is 24 into 36. And 100% product of these two terms will be same. So this is our result.